Hey everybody, this is Eva here again. I am making a video on how to use a Trello board and how to keep yourself organized. So a little bit of a story first. I own three businesses, right? So I have a coaching business, I have a restaurant, I also run a local meetup group. And I used to go back and forth trying to find, like always trying to try different self-management systems. I was going back and forth the online stuff and the apps and all of that, and then just having paper calendars with pencil and eraser and doing it that way, and then having blank sheets of paper, having my goals there. It was like back and forth between so many things. And when I discovered Trello, I was like, wow, okay, so this is it. And I have been able to stick to this for the past year and a half, and it really, really, really works for me. So that's what I want to share with you because it's so, so, so useful. So, first of all, I want to explain to you what Trello is and how it works. So, the way Trello works is that you have different boards, and I recommend you have one board for a large project or a business. So, you see, have one board for my restaurant, one for my coaching business, one for my meetup group, one for my meal plan, and one for my personal stuff, my transformation, wellness practices, stuff like that. So, within each board, you have different lists. So this great thing is a list. And I recommend you use a list per goal. So for example, my goal was to become a best-selling author, which has already happened. My goal was to book 30 speaking opportunities for 2019 on the calendar and develop and maintain high performance coaching program. So those are different kind of like goals slash business areas. And then under each, you get to create a card, and that's the action steps that you're taking. And you get to put a due date, you get to assign it to other people, which I do a lot. I assign some of them to my assistant, and I put a due date, I put some labels on it, and you get to do really cool stuff. Like you can make checklists, so what needs to be done. You can add attachments, so different designs as you make them. If you're, for example, if your task is to rebrand your Twitter, then you can attach, if that's for your assistant, you can attach different drafts of what you want, different messaging, whatever, right? So that's cards. Now, a cool way, if you are a coach or if you work with clients on whatever type of projects or product launches or whatever, is a really cool way to work with your clients is to make a Trello board for your programs. So I have one design for each program, and then I make a copy for each client that I work with. So, for example, this is my template for my level 1 program, Fast Track Your Business. So I have a goal. I have different lists for different goals. So goal, brand complete by XYZ date, technology systems complete, become a speaker, or become a tribe leader. And I actually work with a friend of mine, Jessie May. She's an excellent coach, and she teaches people how to launch their meetup groups and such. So um, anyway, so back to this. So that's irrelevant. This is not meant to be some self-promotional, guys. This is really, I just want to show you how to use this with your clients, okay? So you're going to make different lists for different boards for different programs you run with your clients, and then different lists for the goals. Or if you have a 6-month program, you can have a different list for different months. And then underneath, you can put all the things that I have to accomplish, and you can attach their worksheets. You can attach video trainings to it. You can attach audio recordings of yourself telling them what to do. And it's very, very inexpensive. There's a lot of online learning systems out there that will take you so long to figure out and that you're going to pay a lot of money for. This thing, if you have the business version, it's like $10 a month. It's nothing. And you can have as many boards as you want. You can add as many people to it as you want. So it's super, super, super cool. You see, like I created little tasks for my clients. You need to, hire a virtual assistant, finish your website, design your lead magnet, right? All the stuff that I have to go through, correct your testimonials, and then I attach the description and the instructions on how to do that, and then I attach training videos, and then I attach worksheets that I have to complete in order to move there, and then they can use that in their business. Does that make sense? So I hope it's been helpful and useful. If you guys want to talk to me about your business, again, I have an offer for you. I have couple slots for next week on my calendar. It's a 45-minute coaching session. And basically, we get to figure out, okay, might we be a fit to work together? Maybe, maybe not. But either way, you get some free coaching. You get to ask whatever questions you want. All right. Looking forward to talking to you now.